Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Gemini, sign in and allow camera and storage permissions so the app can access images. Once done, choose an existing photo from your gallery or capture a fresh one. This matters because resolution and lighting affect results. Make sure the image is the primary subject and not cluttered. You'll see quick tools at the bottom. Tap the photo input icon to begin. This first action gets you directly into Gemini's editing and transformation workspace, so you can apply changes immediately. Now you'll apply transformations. Tap Edit or Transform and select a preset style or type a prompt describing the change you want. You can adjust strength, color, and detail with sliders. Use a light touch at first and preview live to avoid overprocessing. If specific areas need work, use the mask or selective edit tool to protect backgrounds or isolate the subject. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, press Preview to compare before committing. This lets you refine without losing the original photo. Finish by exporting the edited image at your chosen resolution. Save to device or share directly from Gemini. If the output looks unnatural, reduce the filter strength or reapply a more precise mask to retain facial or subject detail. If the app stalls or rendering fails, close Gemini, clear app cache, and try again with a smaller file or lower resolution. That often fixes memory issues. Finally, compare the result to the original and make small tweaks until you're happy with color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.